Hello students, good morning. Welcome to English 2020 Test Series 2021. My dear students, today I am going to provide you 20 questions and you have to attempt on the questions through your comments in my comment box. Okay? Answer the questions in my comment box. Okay? Dear students, especially today, I am going to discuss about a very important topic of your writing section, that is letter writing. The questions are based on your term 1 examination 2021-22. Okay? Your writing section contains 8 marks. 8 marks for class 12th and 5 marks for class 10th, 8 marks for class 11. Okay? Your writing section contains 8 marks for class 12th in term 1 examination, 5 marks for class 10th and 5 marks for class 11th. Okay? And today we are going to discuss about MCQs type questions. Okay? Which types of questions will be asked in your question paper? OMR type of examination in this term 1. Okay? So, let's discuss about our questions. Question number 1 is, what is written below sender's address? What is written below sender's address? Option A, date. Option B, receiver's address. Option C, subject. And option D, salutation. Which one is correct? Okay? So write your answer. Question number 2, write format of writing the date in the formal letter. Formal letter, what is the right format of writing the date? This one, this one, this one, or both B and C? Which one is correct? Okay? So let's discuss about your question number 3. Which of these is not a part of letter? Which of these is not a part of letter? Date, salutation, signature and photo. Which one is correct? Okay? So hurry up, all the students. Answer the questions through your comments in my comment box. Question number 4. In which part of a formal letter the key point of the letter is written? In which part of a formal letter? The key points, the main points of the letter is written in opening, paragraph, closing, body or postscript. Which one is correct? Okay? So let's discuss about your question number 5. Letter to the editor is written to whom? Letter to the editor is written to school, university, club or newspaper. Which one is correct? Question number 6. The salutation is placed at the extreme left hand of the first page. The statement is true, false, not sure, may or may not be true. Which one is correct? My dear students, you have to answer the correct option. You have to select any one, any correct option. Question number 7. Why do we need to write complaint letters? Why do we need to write complaint letter? To show that we are always right, to show that we sometimes can be wrong, to provide feedback and seek improvements, and option D, none of the above. So you have to tell me which one is correct option. Okay? Question number 8. Which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? Yours truly, yours truly, yours truly, and yours truly. Which one is correct? Okay? So you have to tell me which option is correct. Okay? And now we are going to discuss about your question number 9. Question number 9. Okay, students? Question number 9 is, in first paragraph of job application contains. In first paragraph of job application contains educational information, personal information, professional information, all of the above. Which one is correct? Question number 10. Letter written for seeking job is called. Letter written for searching the job is called resume, CV, job application, or prospecting letter. Which one is correct? Question number 11. How many paragraphs should be made in a letter to the editor? How many paragraphs should be made in a letter to the editor? 1, 2, 3, or as many as required. Which one is correct? Okay, students. Question number 12. Where is sender's address written? Where is sender's address written? Option A, above the date. Option B, below the date. Option C, above the salutation. And option D, none of these. So which one is correct? Question number 13 is, which of these is the suitable salutation? Which of these is the suitable salutation? Dear sir, dear madam, both A and B. Option B, sir, madam. Option D, none of these. Dear sir, dear madam, sir, madam, both A and B, or none of these. Which one is correct? Question number 14. The subject of letter to the editor should be as long as possible. Option B, brief, clear and relevant. Option C, very short, and option D, none of these. Which one is correct? Okay, my dear students, your question number 15 is, letter is a form of dash communication. Option A, written communication. Option B, verbal communication. Option C, both A and B, and D, none. Which one is correct? Question number 16. The last part of business letter is complimentary closing, salutation, signature line, none of the above. Which option is correct? Question number 17. Dear sir is an example of subject line, salutation, greeting, complimentary closing. Which option is correct? Question number 18. To the columns of your esteemed newspaper belongs, this line belongs to letter to the editor, job application, business letter, or none of the above. Which option is correct? Question number 19. Job application and business letter are the same. This statement is true, false, not sure, no idea. Which one is correct? Question number 20. Subject is used in writing an informal letter. Writing an informal letter. The option, the statement is correct means true, or incorrect, false, don't know, not sure. Which option is correct? Subject is used in writing an informal letter. This statement is true, false, don't know, not sure. Which one is correct? Okay. So my dear students, these are your 20 questions, and you have to attempt all the questions through your comments in my comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.